One day, Woody and Buzz decided to go for a walk. They didn't get very far before bumping into Rex, Ham, Lennie and an alien. "Hello guys," said Buzz. "What have you found?" "We're not sure," replied Rex. "It looks like an engine wash, but it's making a strange noise." "I'm going to look inside," said the alien, and in he went. But when he popped out, he wasn't alone. "I've been cloned," he said. "Wow," said Rex, "I want to go." And in he went too. Then Lennie and Ham went in. "Hold on," said Buzz. "Which ones are real and which ones are the Play-Doh clones?" he asked Woody. "I'm not sure," Woody replied, "but I know how we can find out." So Woody returned to the Pizza Planet and fetched a Play-Doh pizza. "Only the Play-Doh clones will want a Play-Doh pizza," he said. When everyone could smell it, Woody ran away with the pizza, and only the Play-Doh clones followed. Woody ran onto a platform, and one by one, the Play-Doh on the clones started to melt. Then the others returned. "So it wasn't really a cloning machine," said Buzz. "No," explained Woody. "Those four were just messing with us. It was quite fun though, and everyone laughed." Thank you for watching my Play-Doh story. I'm Dave, and if you'd like me to make more videos like this, please like and subscribe. See you soon!